In case of anticipated endowment assurance policy in PLI, which of the following statements are incorrect? 1. Survival benefits are paid to the insurant periodically. 2. Such survival benefit payments will not be taken into consideration in the event of unexpected death of the insurant. Full sum assured with accrued bonus is payable to the assignee nominee of the legal heir. If insurance survives, payment of benefits under AEA at the end of the term chosen will be 40% with accrued bonus. The options are A, it is 2 and 3, B is 2, C is 1 and 4, and D is none of these. The answer is none of these. Which of the following is a money back policy in PLI? Is it Santosh? Is it Sumangal, Suraksha, Yugal Suraksha? It is Sumangal. What is the predetermined age of maturity in case of PLI Bal Jeevan Bima? It is 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 58 and 60 years. Which of the following PLI policies do not have surrender facility? Santosh, Suraksha, Suvidha, Yugal Suraksha, Children policies, Sumangal. It is only Sumangal policies do not have surrender facility. The remaining Santosh, Suraksha, Suvidha, Yugal Suraksha, Children policy, they have the option for surrender. Which of the following has no loan facility in PLI? Suvidha, Suraksha, Bal Jeevan Bima, Yugal Suraksha, Sumangal, Santosh. The PLI loan facility is available for endowment assurance after completion of, is it 5 years, 3 years, 4 years? No loan facility is available. It is 3 years. What is the bonus paid if the PLI policy is surrendered after 5 years? A proportionate bonus on the reduced sum assured will be paid as bonus. In postal life insurance, the insurant is not eligible for bonus if surrendered before completion of 5 years from the date of acceptance. Minimum and maximum sum assured of Yugal Suraksha policy in PLI is 20,000 and 50 lakhs. Minimum and maximum sum assured for Bal Jeevan Bima in PLI is minimum is 20,000, maximum is 3 lakhs or equal to the sum assured of parent, whichever is less. Answer is C. Recognize minimum and maximum age at entry for spouses in respect of Yugal Suraksha PLI policy. It is B. 21 and 45. Identify what is the minimum and maximum age at entry in respect of 15 years term anticipated endowment PLI policy. It is 19 to 45. What is the minimum and maximum age at entry in respect of 20 years term anticipated endowment policy? It is 19 to 40. What is the minimum and maximum age at entry in respect of PLI endowment policy? It is 19 to 55. The minimum and maximum age at entry of the proponent in respect of PLI child policy is, it is minimum and maximum age at entry in respect of PLI convertible whole life policy is, it is 19 to 50. Minimum and maximum age at entry in respect of PLI whole life policy is 19 to 55. In whole life policy, that is Suraksha policy, the assured amount with accrued bonus is payable either to the legal representatives of insurance assignees on the death of the insurance or on attaining the age of 80 years. Identify the organization whose employees are not eligible for PLI. Joint ventures having minimum of 5% government PSU stake. What is the minimum percentage of stake in government PSU by joint ventures that will make its employees eligible for PLI? 10%. In which year the PLI extended insurance cover to female employees of erstwhile P&T department, Postal and Telecom department, at the time when no other insurance company covered female lives? It is 1894. Name the insurance company organization which has extended insurance cover to female employees at a time when no other insurance company covered female lives. Just now we have seen it is Postal Life Insurance. Which is the oldest life insurer in India? It is the PLI, Postal Life Insurance. When was Postal Life Insurance introduced? It was 1 to 1884. It is not 1984, it is 1884. The intervals at which the survival benefits will be paid for 20 years term PLI AEA policy are, it is 20% each on completion of 8 years, 12 years, 16 years and 40% with accrued bonus on maturity. Survival benefits will be paid for 15 years term PLI AEA policy at intervals of 20% on completion of 6 years, 9 years, 12 years and 40% with accrued bonus on maturity. Which of the following payments of survival benefits under PLI anticipated endowment policy AEA 20 years term policy is correct? 20% at the end of 12 years. Which of the following payment of survival benefits under PLI AEA 15 years term is correct? 20% at the end of 6 years. Match the following PLI scheme and bonus rates as of now. PLI scheme Sumangal bonus, Santosh, Yugal Suraksha, Bal Jeevan Bima. Bonus rates are 52 per year for every 1000 rupees sum assured, 48 per year every sum assured, and bonus of 76 per year for every 1000 sum assured. The answer is, that is Sumangal, it is the bonus rate is 48 rupees per year for 1000. Santosh it is 52. Yugal Suraksha it is 52. Suraksha it is 76, and finally Bal Jeevan Bima it is equal to an endowment policy, so it is 52 again. Name the document which will be called for from PLI customer in connection with various servicing events during including the settlement of claims. It is the PLI policy bond. Which of the following statements are correct? PLI premium can be paid through Darpan device, IPPB app, online, Postman mobile app, Nanyata app. Here different options are given, and we will have 1 and 3. That is Darpan device in branch post office, you can collect a premium, PLI premium in branch post offices, and 3 through online also you can collect. As of now, there is no such facility in IPPB app or Postman mobile app or Nanyata. Nanyata relates to letterbox clearance monitoring app. Postman mobile app is an app that will enable you to enter the delivery information in the mobile or take signatures of the customers while delivering the registers, speed post or money order. In the event of nominee predeceased insurant, change in nomination in case of postal life insurance must be registered with, it is to be registered with the concerned CPC PLI in a head post office through your post office. Which of the following statements are correct? On reassignment, ownership of PLI policy comes back to you. Then the old nomination automatically gets revived. You have to, in such cases, nominate afresh. The old nomination does not automatically get revived. You need not, in such cases, nominate afresh. The answer would be 2 and 3. That is, you have to, in such cases, nominate afresh, and you have to, the old nomination does not get automatically get revived. You have to give a fresh nomination. PLI nomination automatically gets cancelled when a single nominee dies. The policy is assigned to bank to get a loan. Which of the above statements are correct? Out of these options, both options are correct. PLI loan will be granted on security of policy if the policy has been in force for at least 3 to 4 years, as the case may be, and is otherwise unencumbered and has acquired a minimum surrender value of 1000 rupees. What is the toll-free number for inquiries related to postal life insurance or rural postal life insurance? It is D 1800-180-5232 and 155-232. When does the PLI policy become lapsed? In case of policies of less than 3 years duration, if more than 6 premia are not paid. If a policy is less than 36 months, that is 3 years, if the premium is not paid for more than 6 months, then the policy is treated to be lapsed. When does the PLI policy become lapsed? In case of policies of more than 3 years. The previous question is less than 3 years. This is more than 3 years case. The lapsation will be after if the premium is not paid for more than 12 months. Which of the following PLI policies have same bonus rates as of now? 1, 3, 4 have the same bonus rates, that is Santosh, Bal Jeevan Bima and Yugal Suraksha. All of these have the endowment policy bonus rate. What is the present bonus rate for PLI endowment assurance policy? It is 5200 for every 1 lakh sum assured per year. What is the present bonus rate for PLI whole life insurance? It is 7600 for every 1 lakh sum assured per year. With reference to Suraksha policy, premium paying age can be opted for as 55, 58 and 60. Suraksha means whole life policy. So it is for only 3 age periods, 3 premium paying ages, that is 55, 58 and 60. A PLI whole life policy can be converted into endowment assurance policy up to a certain age of insurance, provided the date of conversion does not fall within 1 year of date of cessation of premium payment or date of maturity. What is the maximum age of insurance up to which a PLI whole life policy can be converted into endowment policy? Up to 59 years of age of insurance. What is the percentage of incentive paid to the PLI development officer on the total PLI new business premium procured by direct agents attached to that DO? It is 1%. Cross-selling in PLI marketing means selling other products to the existing customers of RD, SB, MIS like that. What is the minimum educational qualification required for recruiting PLI direct agents where the population he resides is more than 5,000? It is 10th standard. What is the maximum age up to which the retired government officer or official can apply for engagement as PLI field officer? It is 65. Where do the PLI or PLI policies have to be indexed in case the PLI sales force procures the business outside the parent division? For example, if the PLI sales force procures business other than in their parent division, where these policies have to be indexed? That is the question. At the CPC where the insurance resides, under whose control PLI direct agents lie? The PLI agents will be lying under the direct control of the development officer. Who among the following will be paid renewal incentives for PLI business? PLI development officer. PLI policies with a sum assured greater than 20 lakhs in respect of extended clientele, the maximum sum assured for age entry of 41 years and above will be restricted to 10 times of gross annual income. PLI policies with sum assured greater than 20 lakhs in respect of extended clientele, the maximum sum assured for the age of entry up to 40 years will be restricted to 7 times of gross income. When a PLI loan outstanding amount including interest is more than gross surrender value, then a forced surrender request will be automatically created by the system if the due amount remains unpaid within 30 days from the date of third notice or reminder. What is the maximum limit of sum assured for PLI extended clientele whose age is beyond 40 years? 7 times the gross annual income. In case of death of a main policy holder, that is parent of a children policy, which of the following statements are correct? No premium is required to be paid by the children policy on the death of the main policy holder. Full sum assured with accrued bonus will be paid to the child after the completion of term of the policy. Full sum assured with accrued bonus will be paid to the child immediately on the death of the main policy holder, that is parent. Premium is required to be paid on child policy on the death of the main policy holder till maturity of the policy. Here 1 and 2 are only correct. That is, no premium is required to be paid on children policy on the death of the main policy holder, and full sum assured with accrued bonus will be paid to the child after completion of term of the policy. Immediately no payment will be paid. Only on completion of the term of the policy the full amount will be paid to the child. Which of the following PLI or PLI policies have equal bonus rates applicable as of now? Gram Suraksha, Gram Priya, Bal Jeevan Bima and Yugal Suraksha, Santosh and Yugal Suraksha, Gram Sumangal and Gram Priya, Gram Santosh and Bal Jeevan Bima and Santosh. Here there is an option called all of these except one. That is, everything is correct except that Gram Suraksha and Gram Priya. The bonus rates of Gram Suraksha and Gram Priya, they are not equal. They vary from each other. Remaining all this Bal Jeevan Bima, Yugal Suraksha, they are all endowment policies. Santosh and Yugal Suraksha, they both are endowment. Gram Sumangal and Gram Priya, they are having the same bonus rate. Gram Santosh is endowment. Bal Jeevan Bima is children policy. Both have the same bonus rate. Bal Jeevan Bima and Santosh, that is PLI. Also they are having the same bonus rate. Which of the following PLI or PLI policies have endowment bonus rates applicable? Suraksha, Bal Jeevan Bima, Yugal Suraksha, Sumangal, Dasavarsha. It is 2 and 3. That is, Bal Jeevan Bima and Yugal Suraksha, they have same endowment rates, bonus rates. Endowment bonus rate is applicable to the Bal Jeevan Bima and Yugal Suraksha. Which of the following statements are incorrect with reference to nomination in PLI policy? Nomination can be done only at the time of taking PLI policy. Nomination can be done or changed at any point of time. The nomination gets automatically cancelled when you assign the policy to any bank. Nomination cannot be changed once made at the time of taking policy except in the event of nominee predeceased the insurance. On reassignment, ownership of policy comes back to you, but old nomination does not automatically get revived. Here the answer is 1 and 4. 1 is nomination can only be done at the time of taking policy. That is incorrect. Here the question is, which of the following statements are incorrect with reference to nomination? So nomination can only be done at the time of taking policy. No, nomination can be taken even after taking the policy also. So 1 is wrong, and 4th one is also wrong. The nomination cannot be changed once made at the time of taking policy except in the event of nominee predeceased the insurant. No, the insurant has the option to change the nominee at any time he wants, irrespective of the fact that nominee predeceased the insurant. At that time also he can change, but it is not only the circumstances under which nomination can be changed. He can change it at his will at any time. So 1 and 4 are incorrect. Identify the best suited PLI policy for an eligible unmarried employee with less salary. A consolidated pay now and will draw a regular salary with full pay in 2 to 5 years to come, so that he can afford maximum sum assured now. It is the convertible whole life policy. Why? Because he can pay less amount towards this high sum assured, and thereafter, after a period of 5 years, say, he can pay the remaining amount when he is comfortable with his salary. Do subscribe to Career Post for getting the latest video. Click the bell icon. Thank you.